Hey, Capella, koto prale? Auto pressé, si vous êtes dans l'église qui qu'on a prié, et puis
The
parfois,
Bible demonstrates this in Joshua chapter
musicien
6.
qui dans l'église là,
That there
qu'on
was a
peut
kingdom
sentir
set
que
up.
ou vivre présence bon Dieu, vidéo ça
And
c'est
when the
pour
people
vous.
of God lifted up their voices together, something supernatural began to happen. We're not going to shout in this moment, but I just need you to raise up your voice and just, oh my God. Somebody worship until you feel the glory settling. Somebody open your mouth. Don't wait to hear what your neighbor's going to say. They don't need what you need. Throw your hands up, open your mouth until you feel the glory. I prophesy that the glory is about to settle down. I prophesy that the glory